Hey everyone, Steve here again. Just another quick video for you. This one's going to be about Trappist-1. On February 22nd, 2017, astronomers announced 7 Earth-like planets had been found circling a star called Trappist-1. What is Trappist-1? Well, Trappist-1 is an ultra-cool red dwarf star. Ultra-cool dwarf stars have a temperature that stays under 2700 Kelvin, which is the same as 4400 degrees Fahrenheit. Red dwarf stars are the most common star type in the Milky Way, and Trappist-1 was discovered in 1999 and is 39.5 light years away from Earth. That's extremely far. The closest star to us, other than our Sun, is 4 light years away. And if you're looking for it, you can find the Trappist-1 star in the Aquarius constellation. In 2015, astronomers using the Transiting Planets and Planetesimal Small Telescope, which is where TRAPPIST-1 gets its name, discovered 3 terrestrial planets orbiting TRAPPIST-1. Terrestrial planets are just rocky planets a lot like Earth. Then 4 more terrestrial planets were found using NASA's Spitzer Space Telescope and the Very Large Telescope in Chile. This took the total for TRAPPIST-1 to 7 terrestrial planets, the most of any other planetary system. Now, 3 of those planets are in the Goldilocks zone. The Goldilocks zone is an area at which a planet rotates around its star that allows it to hold liquid water. As far as we know, liquid water is needed for life. There's a few problems with potential life starting on these planets. Most planets that orbit red dwarf stars could potentially be tidally locked. Now, tidally locked is where a planet, only one side of the planet has light and the other side is in darkness at all times. And not having a day and night sequence makes it really hard for life to get started on a planet. Also, red dwarfs use most of their electromagnetic energy as infrared light. They emit almost no ultraviolet light. This could make life really difficult on any of these planets that orbit around TRAPPIST-1. I personally believe life is extremely hard to get started. But once it is started, it's even harder to extinguish that life. Is there life on these planets? We may never know. But it is really fun to imagine that life could exist and there could be aliens out there. And maybe we'll find out one day with better telescopes and more exploration of the universe. But as it is now, we don't know. So we have to speculate. Maybe one of those planets orbiting around TRAPPIST-1, or maybe on a moon orbiting one of those planets on TRAPPIST-1, are little green men. Or I'd actually like to think that they're little red men, because red dwarf, why not? And in conclusion, there is always a potential for life somewhere out in the universe, and hopefully someday we find out if it's true or not. Alright everyone, have a nice night, thanks for watching.